back with another one. And I have a special episode for you guys today. A good friend of mine, Mohammed Mador, his family has a Selenite workshop here outside of Midelt. And after the last video at Selenite Mountain, just over there, I had some requests to show us the processing of these little Selenite products that you guys see at the show. So I talked to my friend Mohammed and his father, and they've agreed to give us a look at how they process everything from the mountain there. So let's go inside and take a look and see what it takes to create all these different Selenite things. As you can see here, they're lining up their circles so that they can cut these and process them here. Hello? And they're working away.
والذين يبتغون الكتاب مما ملكت أيمانكم فكاتبوهم إن علمتم فيهم خيرا وآتوهم مما لله الذي آتاكم. إنها آية تحيل على تحرير الروح قبل تحرير الجسد. هذا نداء للحرية، دعوة لإنهاء العبودية التي كانت سائدة في المجتمعات الإنسانية عند مجيء النبي صلى الله عليه وسلم. لكن الإسلام جاء ليحرر الإنسان ليس فقط من الرق بل من كل ما يقيده. يحرره من الفقر، يحرره من الجهل، يحرره من الشهوات، يحرره من الخوف. المكاتبة في ظاهرها تحرير الرقبة، لكنها في حقيقتها تحرير الروح ودعوة للثقة بالإنسان. فمن سعى للحرور ومن طلب أن يكون مسؤولا عن نفسه فالإسلام يأمر بأن يعطى الفرصة، بل ويدعم ماليا ليبدأ حياة جديدة. هذه رسالة عظيمة هذه رسالة عظيمة لا تجعل أحدا عبدا فإن استطعت أن تحرره.
This is like what I was talking about in the last video, how this peach color is natural, coming from the mountain just adjacent from us. They're very nice. Yeah, good color, deep. And they're bringing all this right there from the mountain, straight here. No problem. Bulls. And he traces out so he stays consistent. How long do his blades last? Probably a long time. Because it's, yeah, that's very the lowest on the most scale. Interesting. Cool. And the clarity is good. What a cool creation. We don't see a lot of... Wow! Look at this little elephant, folks. How cool. Ah, an angel. Oh, rabbit. Yeah. This one's very cool. I love the little animal figurines. I haven't seen any of these before. Super neat. How rad is this, folks? Years of selenite being processed right here. The finished bowls. Yeah. Good quality. This is the best quality I've seen ever. And the really neat thing for me is that Mohammed Mador, his family, it's a family-run business. One of these big, greedy dealers that have stepped in and tried to take over. Just a local family here, working together to bring you guys some of the best quality Selenite products in the world. Beautiful. Wow. Love that. Shukran. Thank you. Cool thing is, this is like a old abandoned French building that's been repurposed, obviously bought by his family, and now they're using it to make all these products, which is super awesome. And here's some rough. This is what they're starting all their stuff with. And then, yeah, processing start to finish right here. I'm gonna let them get back to work, but I really wanted to take some time to show you guys where the products are coming from. How it all starts right there on the mountain to right here. If you guys are looking to order any Selenite products, wholesale or not, just reach out to us or check out my website or say hello at a show. Thanks for tuning in. I'll see you guys on the next one.